We're having a meetup with Costa Rican people, mostly from San Jose, I guess. So yeah, we have invited them. Ah, cool.
Yeah, listening to you guys, but looking forward to the presentation.
This is essentially also how everything started. It started pretty much with a meetup here at Skyloft at this very place.
Meetup number 2.
Meetup number 2.
I was there the first one.
Oh really? Cool.
Yeah, it was a great time, met a lot of nice people here.
This is where the epicness started.
So welcome to Nimiq's meetup. Some of you are very experienced in everything Nimiq. Some of you are very new to it. So we're going to give first a general overview of what's Nimiq, how does it work, and the key aspects of it. One of the key aspects of Nimiq is maybe, well, the simplicity of it. Our idea is to have it run only in your browser, everything in your browser, so that way you actually don't have to download anything.
So, as a programmer, I totally understand the difference between those two analogies, but as a user,
I will say the main probably practical differentiator is that you can actually mine in the browser, but I don't know if that's going to become like a common practice once we have a mainnet and a lot of people are using it. Other stuff I could say is that you can actually create stuff like cache links, which is one of the applications we have at least think about, which is I can send you money with a link because this is web-based. So basically, in the moment that you, right now, if you want to send money to somebody else through Bitcoin, then they need to have a wallet and they need to install something on their cell phone or their computer or whatever, and that takes, of course, effort and knowledge. With this, I just send you a link, and because it all can live in the browser, then when you open your link, you automatically have a node in the network, a wallet, and you can actually receive the money directly.
If you click on your hash rate, you touch it, it actually slides up a bar where you can slide the number of cores you want to use to process.
Efficient way to mine would be get a buttload of Raspberry Pis.
The idea is not bad actually, but the Raspberry Pi itself is the CPU has a slow cache, rather slow cache compared to some modern Intel CPUs.
Okay.
So, yeah, the idea is not bad. So you have a lot of rather cheap classical CPUs. It's better than you have really large server farm or something, usually.
Yeah, so we have a community site, so where users can go and input how many hash rate their setup does. So when you're trying to get like some mining setup, then you can see and search if what you're trying to buy is worth.
And so we basically use their features, their atomic transactions to write to the database and build our transactions, our extended transactions around it.
I don't think that there's a project that really has the technical angle that we have, in the sense that we really put the real client in the browser. So the software that runs in the browser is actually the real blockchain client, and it's not some sort of second-class citizen that has to connect through some trusted party to the network. So it's actually directly connected to the network.
In WhatsApp, you should have my address. You just send one Nimiq to me, which is
By hitting that button.
but I still have my.
Probably just use a better browser.
Where's the one you send?
because it is verifying and synchronizing,
Yeah,
and then
of
once it
browser.
connects to the network, you'll see your money here. See, I'm receiving his transaction right now.
Yep.
For one testing name.
Awesome. Great time, and I'm glad you guys are moving forward with the project.
Yeah, cool. Yeah, awesome that you found the time to come back. And we've actually come a long way, but it's still a long way to go. I mean, the blockchain space is crazy. There's so many projects that are doing cool things.
Something that's very, very valuable is your network.
Right.
and the ecosystem you built on it. So that's something that would definitely help out Nimiq going forward.
Yeah.
Having other people building stuff with it.
Absolutely.
You should just embrace it.
Oh.